Good morning, it's Saturday, February 9th, and this is Nemo. Yeah, Topsfield, Massachusetts. Yeah, trying to focus on things. It's about 8:30 in the morning or so. Let's take a look. Well, let's take a look. Oh. 17 inches, which is over a foot and a half, and it's still coming down. Let's take a walk over here. Look, our mailbox has been knocked off. And we are basically completely barricaded in. So as yeah, look at that, huh? It's pretty cold outside. Snow is light, not exactly heavy. But look at this though. This is basically up to my waist, the edge of this. Thank you, snowplows, for doing such a great job of trapping us. And gonna have to work at it. So, gonna have to. That's a lot of snow on the roof, drifting. Look at that. It's piling up there. Fortunately, nothing is collected in the trees, so hopefully none of these will crack and fall. And the wind isn't that bad. So, this is gonna be my pretty much going to be my life for the next 24 hours, dealing with this. Hopefully it won't be too bad. It's very pretty. Not the worst snow I've ever dug out of. It's nice though. So let's see. Alright, I'm gonna. So, this is where we are now, at the beginning. Alright, it's about 11:30 or so. Dan's been out here for a while.
Like what?
How's it going?
Alright, I guess.
Hey, good job.
Video?
Yeah.
No, take it off.
It's okay, you're doing a good job. See, Dan has dug out this area, done a pretty good job. Alright, I'm definitely making progress. It's about 2 o'clock. Dan and I just took a little break, rested a little bit. Plow came finally, but didn't really block us in too badly. So this is all we have left for the day. Just this last section. The final total on the snow is basically 20 inches here in Topsfield. and we're gonna finish it up. And here it is, 3 o'clock, and we're done, at least with the driveway. Dan and I, in a couple of shifts, did all this on and off since 8:30 this morning. Took some breaks here and there and got it done. Of course, still have to get the still have to do the walkway, front, the walk up to the front door and the back porch. You know, it's gonna be a lot to do, but it's a good day's work, father and son, I think. Yeah, just all by hand, no gasoline, no plows, no nothing. Just 2 men getting the job done. Hopefully the plows won't seal us off again. But it's the blizzard of 2013, at least for the initial breakout stage for the cars. And as for people being able to walk out of the front door, the back door, back porch, we'll have to deal with that tomorrow. Hopefully when Becca comes home from Dartmouth in the winter carnival. So, let's take it easy.